Hey everyone, I have another unboxing for you for InnoGear Aromatherapy Diffuser. This is the new version, and I have already taken out the diffuser. This is the one that I got my son. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. So it just comes with the diffuser, the manual, and the power cord, which is here. So I'm going to go on ahead and hook it up and get it going. Okay, so I plugged up the power cord up underneath, and then I did fill it with water. As you can see, the max is right there. I didn't take it to the max, and I'm going to go on ahead and plug it up. And I just wanted to show you guys that this power cord is pretty long, so you can extend it out quite a bit without restriction. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back on. It just lines up, and then you need to lock it in place. And I'll go ahead and plug it up and show you what we got. Okay, so I have it all plugged up. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light, and that will change colors, and then turn on the mister. As you can see right away, it begins to mistify. And you can smell the essential oils immediately. And the pretty colors. Let me turn off the light. It's very quiet. Yeah, it doesn't make much noise at all. And you can immediately feel the effects from the oils and it going into your nostrils. I did get this for my son because of his sinuses, so I know this is gonna really help out. I did put the tea tree oil in there. You can use any essential oil made for diffusers. Yeah, so and my other diffuser I have lavender just for stress and relaxation and calming, and so this is a nice way to get those essential oils in and relax and help you breathe. So I know he will enjoy this when he gets home. So yeah, I would say definitely give this a try. It's good for multiple purposes, but if you have allergies, sinus problems, this is definitely going to help. That's what got me to get this product. They do have it on Amazon, as I showed in the picture at the very beginning. It's for $15.99, so now's a good time to buy it. They have other brands, other things like that, but this one was the most rated, highly rated. And a friend of mine actually shared this with me and told me how much it's helped her. So if this was helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.